what are ways to include CSS in your projects? Well, there are 3 ways how you can use CSS in your projects. There are Inline CSS, Internal CSS, and External CSS. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate over PayPal. Please remember, even little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting